Hi there makeup addicts, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Sarah and today we are going to be unboxing the January latest in beauty box. So Christmas has come and gone and we are in a new year. Welcome to 2021 everyone. As usual, I place my order to Latest in Beauty on about the 11th of the month. That's when my subscription renews. And I always forget what I ordered. Always, every time. So let's unbox this and I'll show you what I've got. And I always like to have a look to see what the value of the items are in the box. Considering the subscription is just under £17, I always like to know what kind of value I get for that money. So let's get into this. Oh, I remember. So I remember ordering these because I ordered these last month and I actually really enjoyed them, but I just couldn't bring myself to order a month's worth. They're like £30 a month, which just feels quite a lot for a vitamin, though this may convince me to just take the plunge and actually sign up for their subscription. These are the Inner Beauty stack of the nourished vitamins. It's a really weird sensation to use these, in my opinion, because normally when you take a vitamin, you're taking a tiny little pill, I suppose, and these are quite big and they're covered in a sugary but not sugar substance. Very bizarre, but I really liked these and yeah, this might just knock me over the edge. The subscription for this pack is $29.99 and you get 1 week in here. So let's just say for argument's sake that a month is 4 weeks worth. That would make this little box worth £7.50. What else did I order? I remember this was their, they have like featured products every month and this was one of their featured products. I mean, at the best of times, I can't stop myself buying a face mask. So when it comes up on a Latest in Beauty box, it's very hard to say no. I had a look at how much this was actually. Let me just go check it again. So this is worth £43 apparently, and actually the price of it is all over the place. If you try and buy this on something like Look Fantastic, it's like £100, but on Skin Chemist's website it's £43 for this pack. Oh, you would be, wouldn't you? You would be sealed. Oh, it smells really nice. Oh, I like the smell of that. Not normally a huge rose person, but that's really nice and subtle and doesn't just smell like Turkish Delight. So this is a Rose Illuminating Glow Peel-Off Mask by Skin Chemist. So I can't wait to give that a try. £43. I mean, the box is £17. Oh, I've had these before. I remember these coming up. I actually got these because I couldn't really decide on like my 6th item, because you order 6 items for this. So I ordered these because I've used them before and I knew that I liked them. These are about £7.50 when you buy them, I think, directly from Beauty Boulevard. They're about £7.50 a pack and you get 2 sets in these and they're really nice to sort your under eyes out in the morning when you need it. Thalgo Spa. Let me go and have a look. So interestingly, I can't really find this anywhere. I've gone to the Thalgo Spa website and I can't find this product on it, which is really weird. The only shop that really came up with something that looked like this and had this name was on eBay, and it was this size package for £10. So I'm going to say this is worth a tenner for now. But this is like a body cream. I remember it being like a milk, iridescent island milk, yeah. So this is a body cream. I do like a body cream, so that'll be nice to try. Inica Organic. This is a lip serum, and I think this is one of those things that I've had like advertised at me a lot recently. So when I saw it on here, I was like, yeah, go on, let's give it a go. Oh, what is that, like honey? Is that honey? Is honey an ingredient? Oh, there's loads of ingredients on there. It smells really, yeah, but honey-ish, almost with like a touch of lemon. That smells really nice. And I do find myself use a lot of lip balm. So I thought a serum might do my lips a world of good. This on Inika's own website is £21, but if you ever shop around, you can get it for about just sub 20, like maybe like £17. So it's worth looking around if you're interested in something like that, but I can't wait to give it a try. Oh, and last but not least, I bought this. I've never had one of these and I really fancied giving one of these a go. This is like a pitch black eye mask, sleep mask. Oh, that's nice. I can imagine this wouldn't leave lines on your face because that's what I'm always worried about. That's really nice. Oh, it's really soft, like satin. Yeah, I like that. And if you use code SMUGCLUB20 on their own website, you can get 20% off. So go ahead and use that if you want to use that. Yep, that's pretty nice. Don't know how much these are. Give me a sec. So on Smug's own website, these are £12. However, interestingly, some other websites sell them more expensive than they do. That feels a bit strange. But yeah, they look really nice. I can't wait to give those a try. They will definitely get used. So once again, I'm really happy with this box, and I suppose it's pretty hard not to be happy when you choose it all, and you do. I chose all of these things. So no arguments from me whatsoever. Can't wait to try these again, and I love a mask. Just totting all of this up, all of these items in their actual sizes come to £101. £101. This box is £16.90, I think I pay, for the postage plus the box. Incredible value, really incredible value. I definitely recommend that you give this a try. I'm pretty sure that when you're signed up to this, you have a link to invite others, and if I can find that for me, I'll put it down in the description box. I'm fairly certain that you get a discount if you use that, but I'll have a look for you. But that's it from me today. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and hit the like button. That really helps out a small channel like mine, and I would really appreciate it. And if you like content like this, then go ahead and subscribe for new videos at least every Monday, but I do try for a Friday as well. If you're interested in the latest in Beauty Box, just head over to a video that I'll pop up here and you can see previous months' subscriptions and the sorts of things that you get when you subscribe to this box. Other than that, have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.